in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the mud.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anita Rivers of Classic Royalty, and welcome back. As you guys can see from the title, today I will be showing you guys a prom dress review. Yes, I'm saying prom dress because this behind me is a client's dress of mine, but overall this will be a dress review. If you guys would like more information on this dress, please get a pen, get some paper, jot down as much as you can as I tell you guys how I made the dress, what patterns I used for the dress, where I ordered the fabric from, and etc. Stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and start with the bottom of the dress. Alright, so this is the bottom that everyone loves. This is your typical mermaid style dress. As you guys can see, mermaid, it comes in at the knee and flares out. For the bottom part of this dress, I use what I always use for my gowns. I use my circle skirt pattern. That's number one. Also, in the hem, there is horsehair. There's black horsehair in this hem. If you guys would like to know how to create and how to use horsehair braided trim, there's a video on my channel. Go ahead and check that out. For those of you who are interested in this beautiful iridescent pink and blue and silver material, I got this particular fabric. It's a neoprene, so it's a glitter knit neoprene. I got this from Exclusive Fabrics in New York City in the Garment District. But you can get this iridescent glitter knit, not neoprene, just a glitter knit, from all fabric stores that are listed below in my description box. That's Textile Fabrics, Exclusive Fabrics, Rosa Fabrics. Okay, this part here, as you can see, is just your basic skirt pattern.
I'm telling you guys, making gowns is very simple, and I don't want you guys to overthink or overwork yourself. Yes, it's very simple. Yes, it's very clean, but it's very easy to make. And I'm saying that because it's true. I would never lie to you guys. So again, for this part here, I use my basic skirt pattern. As you guys can see, it goes from the waist and it comes down. And yes, I don't know if you guys can see, but there are two darts right here. Now the dart is for the flatness. It gives her more of a shape and it hugs her body. Alright, as you guys can see here, I added a waistband. Normally I won't add a waistband, but the waistband looks really good. It's really clean. And the waistband, again, is just using your basic patterns, or you can basically just drape it and do a basic square. Alright, so next I want to talk about this top half. I get a lot of questions on how do you do this top half, or what patterns do you use, and I'm going to say this, and I'm going to say this one time only. Literally, if you guys, let me turn this. If you guys look at the shape, what shape is this? This is your basic triangle. See? From here, and it comes down. I didn't do anything different. It's your basic triangle. Basically, all you guys need is to figure out your client's bust size, so you know how wide or where you want to cover the nipple and everything like that. I'm a 32 triple D, you know, because my breast implants. But with that being said, I'm really a 34 or a 32. I can fit in different sizes. But you have to measure how wide your client's bust is. This client, I believe she was a 32 or 34. I'm really not sure. I don't remember her measurements from her contract. But she's very small, and it does cover. And also, since it's a tie back, up here, it goes around the neck. The higher you pull it up, the more this comes up. If you guys can see, I'm pulling this up, and it comes up higher. Or the lower you want it, you can let this loose, and it'll come a little bit lower, so the V-neck will come close. Also, if I'm moving a little bit closer, I like this top because I crisscrossed it. A lot of people have this coming open like this. I like having it crisscrossed because it gives you more cleavage, more coverage, and it's also more comfortable. And if my client really wanted to, she can close this and put like a little pin here, and you can still have this little shape. Yeah, I really like this. This is very simple. Again, I use your regular basic triangle shape. I didn't do anything different. But if you guys are a little bit confused, get some muslin, trace this shape, put it on your dress form, and then see how you like it. But again, I just used so far, I draped this. It's your basic triangle, your basic skirt, and for the bottom, your basic circle skirt.
Like I said, this is the tie back. So again, the whole back is open. You bring it up from the front, and then you tie it right in the back. You can do it as loose or as tight as you want. Also, with this kind of a tie, you can do different techniques on how to tie it. So you can tie it around the neck, like how it is here, or she can tie it, bring it in front of her, tie it again for a choker look. It's really dope. Or if it was really long, I could have brought it down and then bring it around the waist and then tie it back again. With this style, it's endless to what you can do and how you can wear it.
Now, I'm going to show you guys the back. You guys know I love a good train. Alright, look how beautiful that is. You guys can't even see how full this is. Alright, can you guys? Yeah.
Does that work? Alright guys. So You guys know I love doing big trains like this. A train like this is very simple. Again, all you guys need is your basic circle pattern, your basic circle skirt pattern. That's all you need, and your basic skirt. Again, if you want these measurements, so maybe you guys might want to try it on your own. My center front is 35, my side seams are 35, and my center back, which is from this part here all the way to the back, is about 55 inches based on how long the fabric is. Now the reason why this is so long is because my circle skirt pattern for the whole train is normally about 3 yards, maybe 4 yards on folds for the whole entire bottom. That's why it's so wide and so dramatic. So if you guys want those measurements, again, center front 35, side seams 35, center back as long as you can make it, 55, 60, 45, whatever you want. The width is about 2.5 yards on folds for the front and for the back. People have been asking too, when you see dresses and they have the curve, you have to make that curve. So I'm gonna show you how to make it if I can.
Get that picture, that wave effect.
The thing about this is a lot of people are so curious, like, oh my God, my dress don't do that, you know, or I buy horsehair, my horsehair don't do that. Let me tell you something. For those of you who see dresses, horsehair does have a little bit of weight, but you can never get this on its own. When you see pictures like this on Instagram or on Facebook or wherever you see pictures at, you gotta do it yourself. You gotta manually do what I just did for pictures and for videos, okay? So it's very simple, very simple.
That was it. Again, I'm gonna go over it really quickly. I'm gonna go over everything in less than 5 minutes, real quick. Okay, so the fabric, again, this is glitter knit. This one is glitter knit neoprene, but the actual fabric you can get anywhere is glitter knit from Textile Fabrics, Exclusive Fabrics, Spandex World USA, I think Spandex World and Cut Fabrics, and a couple of other stores. I know Etsy has it, Amazon has it now, but the material name is called glitter knit or glitter knit neoprene. Items you guys will need for this is very simple. Oh, I forgot to mention the straps was just handmade, custom made. I got an 1.5 inches, folded the ends together, and then folded it together again, and I just serged it like a regular bodice tape. Boom. Again, the pattern for the top part was draped. It's your basic triangle. Basic triangle, guys, don't overthink. Basic triangle goes over the boob, just elongate it, make sure it covers your actual boob. Boom. For this portion here is your basic skirt pattern. Basic skirt. Half of the dress is your basic circle skirt. The only thing you guys will need is your basic circle skirt, basic. And the next thing you guys will need is your basic skirt. You only need 2 patterns for this dress. That's it. 1, boom, 2, and boom. And if you make 1, this will be 3. Any questions? If you have any questions on this particular dress, any more questions that I may have not covered within this video, ask it below in the comment section. I read everyone's questions, everyone's comments. I try to reply as fast as I can, but if I've missed something, please go ahead and ask it below in the comment bar. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms as Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and now TikTok, honey, because I'll be on TikTok, all of you guys are taking care of yourselves. Remember, hand sanitizer, wash your hands, cover your mouth, or give me a dab or whatever. Just please take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones. During this time, make sure you guys practice sewing. Make sure you guys do some research on just maybe samples, how to get samples, how to sew a straight line, or if there's anything you guys wanted to do, how to start a business. Use this time wisely because here in New York City, we're quarantined until April 30th. That's a whole month. So use this month wisely. Watch all of my videos. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys are sharing my videos. And make sure, again, you guys are following me on all social media platforms. I post some stuff like this while I'm making it on Snapchat. And again, if you want a t-shirt, one of my t-shirts, they're still currently on sale. You guys can inbox me on Facebook or DM me on Instagram. Shirt's still available. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on this prom dress review. And I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.